Welcome student to class 7th subject physics. Today we are learn about chapter 4 unit 2nd reflection of light on plane surfaces. Reflection of light. When a ray of light while traveling from one optical medium to another optical medium, say from air to glass, strikes the surface of separation of two media. What is reflection of light? The ray of light may be returned by the second optical medium into the first optical medium with a change in angle. This phenomena is called reflection of light. And what is refraction of light? The ray may pass through the second optical medium with a change in angle. This phenomena is called refraction of light. What is angle of incidence? The angle which the incident ray makes with the normal is called angle of incidence. And what is angle of reflection? The angle which the reflected ray makes with the normal is called angle of reflection. Let's see the general terms. What is mirror? Any smooth polished surface which can turn back the rays of light into the same medium is called mirror. What is incident ray? A ray of light which travels from an optical medium toward a mirror is called incident ray. In figure, AB is incident ray. What is reflected ray? A ray of light which bounces off the mirror surface into the same optical medium in which the incident ray was traveling is called reflected ray. See the figure, BC is the reflected ray. What is point of incidence? The point on the mirror surface where incident ray strikes or the reflected ray bounces off is called point of incidence. See the figure, point B is the point of incidence. What is normal? The perpendicular drawn at the point of incidence to the surface of mirror is called normal. See the figure, BD is the normal to the mirror surface. Laws of reflection of light. The angle of incident is equal to the angle of reflection. The incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal to the mirror at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. The incident ray and the reflected ray lie on either side of the normal. Formation of images in plane mirror. When object is point source of light. Let's see the figure. Consider an object O situated in front of plane mirror PQ. The ray of light is starting from point O, that is two rays of light OA and OB. Law of reflection and get reflected along AC and BD. When this divergent beam formed by AC and BD reaches the eye, then to the eye it appears to come from point I. Thus, I is the image of point object O. I is the image of point object O. What is regular reflection? When a parallel beam of light on striking some smooth and polished surface is reflected as a parallel beam of light, such a reflection is called regular reflection. The reflection taking place from mirrors, still water or oil, highly polished metals is regular reflection. Regular reflection helps in the formation of image and hence we can see our face in a mirror. What is irregular reflection? When a parallel beam of light on striking some rock surfaces is reflected in different direction, then such a reflection is called irregular reflection. It is also called diffused reflection. Formation of secondary colors by color addition. In the given figure, the circles 1, 2 and 3 are made of the primary colors green, blue and red respectively. When they are added in the given way, The four different colors denoted by 4, 5, 6 and 7 are formed. From the given figure, we get the following color combinations. That is green color and red color, we get yellow color. Blue color and red color, we get magenta color. Green color and blue color and red color, we get white color.